welcome to Wagner Academy. This is question number 23 for the free SATmath.com practice questions that we're going through here. It says to arrive on time, a bus needs 24 hours to complete a normal trip. I know that speed equals distance over time, and since my time is 24 hours, I'm going to put over 24. So this is initially what I have for speed equals distance over time. If the bus must arrive in 20 hours, by what percent must the speed of the bus be increased? And so if I'm talking about this second bus, the second trip at least that's going faster, I could say that the speed would equal distance over 20. But it's saying these are basically the same. So I'm saying, well, this one, how much faster does it need to be? I can solve this problem by multiplying this initial speed. I'm saying this s is the same as this s over here. So if these two speeds are the same, the equation, the distance would be the same as well. It's the same bus trip, but the time is different. The only way to make that happen is to speed this up a little bit here by multiplying it by some constant. I'm going to call that constant k. So we got to go a little faster for this to happen. If I set this up like this, then I can multiply. Let's do that on both sides here. I can cross multiply. I can think of this over 1. I can think of this over 1. Or I can just think of multiplying both sides by 24 over here. That would get the 24s to cancel. Here and here. I'd have 24 times that initial speed equals the distance. And over here I'd have, if I multiply both sides by 20, I would have 20 times that, whatever that constant is, times s is going to equal, that'll cancel out here, d. So this d and this d are the same. This s and this s are the same. Since d is equal to d, this must equal this as well. So I can say that 24 times that initial speed would have to equal 20 times whatever that constant term is times that initial speed would be. So really what I'm solving for here is k. If I divided both sides by s, that initial speed, the s drops out both sides. So that just leaves me with 24 equals 20k. Dividing both sides by 20 yields that k equals 24 over 20. I can divide both of those by 6. That would give me, not 6, but that would give me 4. I'm sorry, divided both of those by 4, that would give me 6. There we go. Divide that by 4, that would give me 5. That can be written as a decimal as 1.2, which can be written as a percent as 120%. Move that decimal 2 spots. And so how much faster is 120% of the speed compared to 100% of the speed here? That's 20% faster. You'd have to go 20% faster to make that happen. So this one, choice A it is.